Everyone, welcome to my 8th annual Lead Awards presentation. My name is Pradyum Chauhan. I am from Poda World School Cherki, Vadodara. Let's begin the tour to my journey, Rise of a Phoenix. Leadership to me is not just about me, but those around me. It empowers me to collaborate with people, guide them, and work together rather than just dictate. It is more of an opportunity to gain knowledge and enlighten myself. Every opinion matters equally. Determination, dedication, and discipline are my three D's of leadership. The bond of staunch, the powers in me, being passionate, collaborative, and diplomatic. My want is symbolic of high thinking, yet simple living. It motivates me to dream infinitely high and rise up in success, as well as being grounded and humble. It reminds me daily to never forget why I started and from where I started, no matter where I stand at any point in life. Moreover, the wings on the top, the stones at the base, and the brushes signifies a never-ending urge for knowledge. I will become a scientist. Skills required and the way how I will develop these skills. Dedication. By building no matter what mindset, less thinking about the outcome and majorly loving the process of experimenting. Face long working hours by developing time management skills and increasing productivity of my daily tasks. Computing skills by learning the basics that indeed helps me in grasping more technical knowledge with easy understandings. Dealing with failures by developing healthy and much needed coping up skills. Patriarchy and problem of conservative mindset create social injustice for both men and women. They are exposed to physical and mental abuse, human rights violation, less opportunities, and life full of torments. This leads to a hierarchical setup in the society which compromises upon equality and individual freedom and rights. Through this project, I address the root cause of the above mentioned issues, that is, patriarchy and people's ideologies. By spreading awareness on large scale social media platforms, interviews, debates, and insightful posts, I was able to enlighten myself as well as my audience. My research and interview with Principal of Podawal School Shekhi Vadodara, Mrs. Preeta Pillai, gave me a reality check about the severity of issues. My audience of 1,886 people became vigilant and aware about patriarchy. They signed the petition to provide women with abortion rights. Discussing patriarchy with young minds gave them a sense of relatability that they are not alone, made them realize their responsibility for the future, and sensitized young boys about their actions. Smashing patriarchy and conservative mindset. Actions that I took to create awareness and the ways how I did all the tasks are as follow. I conducted interview with my principal, Mrs. Preeta Pillai, through online collaboration. Signed and promoted petition on abortion rights. Promotion of petition through personal networks. Social media awareness. Created videos, informative posts and stories. Showed it in online class to students of classes 6 to 12. Crowdfunding for sex workers. Voiced my opinion on dignifying the occupation and collected funds online. Conducted discussion sessions on patriarchy and mindset awareness. Invited a capable young speaker, friend, and hosted an insightful discussion. Sent a letter of support and appreciation to National Network for Sex Workers. Researched on Google, emailed the organization. Content research. Gaining knowledge about the prevailing issues of women. Conducted an online survey. Instagram question box on story. So the challenges faced during the action project execution are as follows. Managing the project along with academics as well as personal commitment during exam time and JW test was the biggest challenge. Less participation in the online discussion sessions due to coaching and tuition. Managed to bring in 15 participants in the first go by inviting a charismatic speaker and keeping an interactive hot topic. Received a good feedback and request to host more sessions at regular intervals. Overall learnings. I learned to push beyond my boundaries and discovered my true potential, understood the importance and power of social media in shaping public opinion, learned more about social media and digital marketing. Overall, this journey has been extremely rewarding experience. Skills utilized during the action project execution. Effective planning and time management helped me function smoothly even with a tight schedule. Persuasive skill allowed me to engage a higher audience and spread knowledge. Good interpersonal skills and communication played a big role in creating awareness and receiving help and guidance from both mentors and peers. Leadership, collaboration, and confidence helped in induce trust and dedication within my team. Creative thinking, problem solving played a big role in analyzing difficult situations, coming up with on the spot solutions for X. In order to describe my leadership journey in 8th Annual Lead Award 2020, this journey has given me in-depth knowledge about the issues prevailing in modern world. It has put to test and polished my existing skill as well as developed new ones. In these dark times of pandemic and lockdown, it gave me a sense of purpose, a realization duty towards my society. It made me realize that every means, even the online one, can be effective to spread a good word. After all, where there is a will, there is a way. This journey has shaped me into a vigilant, confident person who is ready to take on the world with kindness and empathy.